Now, in all honesty, for me, it'll be easier for me to come and move this with a skid steer. I only need it over there to fill in a little bit of a height. Today we're just moving this dirt over there because this is where we made a trailer turnaround area. So the idea is you come up here, drive around between those trees and do a U-turn with your trailer. But some people seem to still want to go too close to the tree, so we're just going to build a little bit of a mound around it so that they don't drive into the roots. You would do? Would you pull it back with the bucket or would you push the dirt up the hill? I've tried a bit of both. Obviously you never fill the bucket up fully when you push it up, but I could just push it up and just spread it on out. Or should I do a drag back like I'm going to do now and fill the bucket full? You tell me. So there you go guys, this is our turnaround area. Cars can come along in here with their trailer, come up here, around between the tree, and if they need to they can go over on the other side of the road and do a U-turn with their trailer. This is good for trucks as well. Living on the side of the hill, we never have much flat ground, so having a spot to turn around is pretty important. Could do with a little bit more of a finish, but to be honest my neck's a bit sore today, so I think that's a wrap. Thanks guys.